Welcome to Auto Market Rep Vendor Platform. This site is designed to make it easy for vendors to access many features, including receiving leads and submitting quotes, posting vehicles and parts for sale, and even recruiting employees. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Once you log into your account, you will land on your dashboard. Here you can see your leads received, appointments, and sales. When you receive a lead, you will get notified by the system and email. Here you will find all the necessary details about the customer, their vehicle, and the service requested, including pictures and descriptions. If you need to clarify something, you can use the chat feature to communicate with the customer. To submit a bid, click on the bid button and fill in the quote details. You can include more than one item, such as OEM parts or used or other options available, and adjust the time the customer suggests it. Once you submit your bid, the customer will receive a notification, and if they approve it, the appointment will go straight to your calendar. When you complete the job, you can mark it as done, and the customer can rate your service. You can also post vehicles and parts for sale or search for them in the same system and recruiting section. In addition, an auto management system included in the package enables you to take charge of your customers, employees, and vehicles with ease. You can also connect with other vendors, and the accounting feature allows you to manage your finances efficiently.
As you can see, Auto Market Rep Vendor Site offers a variety of features that are designed to make your business operations more efficient and effective. By using this platform, you can easily manage your customers, employees, and sales, while also receiving new leads and opportunities for growth. Auto Market Rep Vendor Site is your one-stop shop for all your business needs, from receiving leads to managing customers and controlling your finances. Try it out today and see how it can benefit your business.